missing children, missing pets, problems with family or whatever. This is another style of a nefarious post that are up to no good. Now, I don't clearly understand yet why people are posting these on Facebook groups, but I'm going to show you real quick how you can get to the point where you clearly understand that that is real or you don't. That's really important. You need to clearly understand 100% you know this is real or you're not 100% sure. And if you're not 100% sure, I'm going to tell you what you need to do with it next. Here's a post right here. I'm in a group called Greensboro and Guilford County Yard Sale, and I hate the fact that one of my local yard sale sites is being overrun by these nefarious people who are up to no good. Here's a post. Urgent. Missing child alert. Those are there. That's called clickbait to get you to go, oh my golly. And then they tell a story about the person missing and it's going to check their sheds, garages, and other outdoor buildings to share this post on a site that helps also. I don't know what their goal is, but it is not to help find Hannah Miller. Let me explain to you why. Number one, do a reverse image lookup. If you're on a web browser, you can right-click on it. You can search for Google Lens or do whatever search tool you have the ability to search for that image. And look what it brings up when I do that. It brings up that this image is in another Facebook group. Now, this image is in Greensboro, Guilford County, but if I go click on that right there, I can see that if I go visit it, it opens it up in another tab. Look here. Marshfield, Massachusetts, the same post? There's no way in the world. So by the way, if I had the ability to report it, I had the ability to report, I'm going to report the post. I'm going to report it as a scam. I don't know the end goal. Scam, false, social, report to admin, done. Now I'm going to go back to where I was. I just did a reverse image lookup and I found the exact same image in Greensboro, North Carolina and Massachusetts. So that's step one, do an image lookup. Step two, you ready for step two? Let me close this down. Step two, look and see who posted it. It's Jane P. Now the fact that it says followers and not friends tells me it's a page, not a personal profile. Let me repeat. The fact that it says followers and has a message button tells me it's a page, not a personal profile. I can right click on this right here, open another link, bring it up. I'm still looking at this page in the group, but I can view the profile. And right there, again, this is a page, not a personal profile. Again, there's no friend stuff here. And furthermore, when did they create this? So I can go look at about page transparency. Look, page transparency. It was created July of last year. If I go look at post, there's no post on the page. The page is being used to get into groups where the groups will allow pages to post nefarious content. This is not a legitimate person. This is only used for nefarious goals. Close that down. So I've just verified for me this image is being used in another state. This person right here is not a person, it's a page. So they're hiding. Here's the third thing. Third thing is comments are turned off. If this was sincere, this person would leave comments on. Let me repeat. If it was sincere, the person would leave comments on. So those are three big flags right there. Here's another one. If there are any links in here, you want to look at the links carefully. Look at another video I did about people posting rent to own. There were links in there that were not trustworthy links. Do your due diligence. And if you feel the slightest bit that it's not real, the slightest bit is not real, you're not 100% sure, but you feel that it may not be real, here's what you do next. You with me? Number one, do not share it. Do not share it. Number two, if you're a member of the group and or you have the ability, click on the three dots and go to report post. Report the post. That's what you want to go to. Number one, you want to repost it as something false. I'm going to go with what's most likely appropriate to this post. Social issues, I reported it. Next thing I can do, report to the admins of the group. And once I report to the admins of the group, I don't care about the Jane P page. I've reported it to Facebook. I reported it to the group. And most importantly, I did not share it. Done. Please do a little bit of due diligence before you share content that you really shouldn't be sharing. And if you feel the slightest bit icky about it, the slightest bit that is not real, report it to the group, report it to Facebook.